Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Confirm you have your 12-word recovery phrase written in order and offline, because that phrase is the single key to your funds. Use a secure device with the latest Exodus app version and a safe internet connection to avoid tampering. Close other apps and disable remote access while you restore. Never share your 12-word recovery phrase with anyone or store it in Cloud Notes. If you only have a partial phrase, stop and recover the full 12 words before proceeding to avoid permanent loss. Download and install the official Exodus desktop app on your computer and verify the app signature or source. Open Exodus, choose Restore Wallet, and enter your 12-word recovery phrase exactly in order, using single spaces between words. After entering the phrase, create a new local password to encrypt the app. This is separate from the recovery phrase. The restore process may take up to 10 minutes to resync balances and history, depending on network and asset count. So wait until the portfolio fully appears before sending funds. Install the official Exodus mobile app and select Restore Wallet during the initial setup to begin. Enter your 12-word recovery phrase exactly as written, then set a new strong password to encrypt the app on your device. Allow the app to complete background synchronization. Check all asset balances and transaction history after syncing. If any assets use external wallets or tokens, re-add them via Wallet Manage Assets. Do not use the recovery phrase on untrusted sites or share it, or you risk immediate loss of funds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.